Welcome back. This is round one in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Marlie Mount Primary on 3 and Tollgate Primary on 4. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Heidi Geddes of Marlie Mount Primary up against Janelle Evans of Tollgate Primary. Heidi, we begin with you. What is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle if one side measures 7.6 centimeters?
$22.8 centimeters.
That's correct. An item is priced at $1,600 plus tax. If the tax is 10%, how much will you pay for the item?
$1,760.
That's right. Heidi, what are the prime numbers between 80 and 90?
$83 and $89.
That's correct. What is 99 over 8 as a mixed number? Time's up. Janelle, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 12 and 3 over 8. Heidi, what's the sum of 57.9 and 54.8?
$112.7.
That is correct. Janelle, we're now over to you. The perimeter of a square is 15.2 centimeters. What's the length of one side of the square? Time's up. Question passes to Heidi. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 3.8 centimeters. Janelle, a book is being sold at a discount of 20% of the listed price. If the listed price is $2,500, how much is the book being sold for? Time's up. Heidi, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $2,000. Janelle, what's the prime number or prime numbers between 90 and 100?
97.
That's correct. What is 103 over 9 as a mixed number?
Eleven and 4 over 9.
That's correct. What's the sum of 77.8 and 39.6? Question passes to Heidi. Want to try?
Yes, thank you. 117.4.
That's correct. Taking us now over to the next face-off in the category of science. It's between both captains. Captain of Marlie Mount Primary, Tarina Samuda, and Captain of Tollgate Primary, Sakara Henry. Captain Tarina, we begin with you. What's the name for the replanting of trees on land where forests used to be?
Afforestation.
That's incorrect. Captain Sakara, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Reforestation.
That is correct. Captain Tarina, complete this statement with the correct word. The second stage of development of a butterfly is called the
Larva.
or caterpillar. That is correct. What will happen to an object if it has a higher density than the surrounding fluid?
It will float.
That's incorrect. Captain Sakara, want to try?
Yes, thank you. It will sink.
That is correct. Captain Tarina, what's the name of the process of breaking down food into substances the body can use for energy, tissue growth, and repair?
Digestion.
That's correct. Which organ of the body is affected when a person has glaucoma?
The skin.
That's incorrect. Captain Sakara, want to try?
Yes, thank you. The eye.
That is right. Captain Sakara, over to you. What's the name for the planting of trees to create new forests?
Afforestation.
That's right. Apart from pupa, what's another name for the third stage of development in a butterfly?
Chrysalis.
That's correct. What's the name of the upward force on an object which is immersed in fluid?
Buoyancy.
Or upthrust or buoyant force. That is correct. What's the scientific name for undigested food that is eliminated through the anus?
Waste.
Captain Serena, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's feces. Captain Sakara, which organ of the body is affected when a person has melanoma?
The skin.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Nyasia Gordon of Marlie Mount Primary up against Hayden Turner of Tollgate Primary. Nyasia, does the word abate, as in A-B-A-T-E, mean to increase, decrease, or change?
Change.
That's incorrect. Hayden, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Decrease.
Decrease is right. Nyasia, using the word board, as in B-O-A-R-D, give an English idiom which means to start over.
To board a plane.
That's incorrect. Hayden, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's back to the drawing board or to go back to the drawing board. Nyasia, spell peculiar.
P-E-C-U-L-I-A-R.
That's right. Form an abstract noun from the verb to reduce.
Reduction.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of successful.
Unsuccessful.
That's correct. Hayden, we're now over to you. Does the word ensnare, E-N-S-N-A-R-E, mean to release, save, or trap?
Save.
That's incorrect. Nyasia, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's to trap. Hayden, using the word sack, S-A-C-K, give an English idiom which means to go back to sleep.
To go back in the sack.
That's incorrect. Nyasia, want to try?
No, thank you.
To hit the sack. Hayden, spell oppression.
O-P-P-R-E-T-I-O-N.
That's incorrect. Nyasia, want to try?
Yes, please. O-P-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N.
That is correct. Hayden, form an abstract noun from the verb to fly.
Flight.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of considerate.
Inconsiderate.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies between Kira K. Edwards of Marlie Mount Primary, who's up against Zaria Stewart of Tollgate Primary. Kira K. The Hector's River in Jamaica runs along the border of which two parishes?
St. James and Trelawney.
That's incorrect. Zaria, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Manchester and Trelawney. Kira, in which county in Jamaica is the parish of Kingston?
Surrey.
That's right. How many planets are in the solar system?
8.
That's right. Complete the following line of Jamaica's national song. I pledge my heart forever.
In service of my fellow citizens.
That's incorrect. Zaria, want to try?
No, thank you.
To serve with humble pride is the correct answer. Kira, how long does it take the Earth to rotate on its axis?
7 minutes.
That's incorrect. Zaria, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 27 days.
That's incorrect. It's 24 hours. Zaria, over to you. The White River in Jamaica borders which two parishes?
St. Anne and St. Mary.
That's right. In which county in Jamaica is the parish of Westmoreland?
Cornwall.
Yes, that's correct. What's the source of light, energy, and heat for the planets?
The sun.
Correct. Complete the following line of Jamaica's national song. This shining homeland ever.
Will be beautiful forever.
That's incorrect. Kira, want to try?
No, thank you.
So long as Earth abide. What is Earth's complete movement around the sun called, Zaria?
Rotation.
That's incorrect. Kira, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's a revolution. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Marlie Mount Primary on 16 and Tollgate Primary on 18. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.